Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change push notifications on Audible. So, once you open your Audible application, you want to go to your profile and then go to the settings, which is in the top right corner of the profile screen. Then you want to go to the push notifications. So just click on it. And then, as you can see, you can select which notifications you would like to receive. So account and membership, news and announcements, and relevant new releases. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!